Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're preparing for the IELTS speaking test and aiming for a band 9, you're exactly where you need to be. In today's video, we'll go through a full IELTS speaking mock test on one of the most common and personal IELTS topics, friends. We'll go through all three parts using band 9 model answers, natural expressions, and examiner style insights to help you sound confident, fluent, and natural. Before we start, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your IELTS study partners, Pong Us, and let's begin. Let's start with part 1. I'm going to ask you some questions about friends and social life. Let's start with part 1. Do you usually have a wide circle of friends or just a small group?
Yes, I have quite a few close friends and some acquaintances. My friends are people I trust and feel comfortable sharing my thoughts with. We support each other in both good times and challenges.
How often do you spend time with your friends, either in person or online?
I usually meet them on weekends or during holidays, depending on our schedules. Sometimes we go out for coffee or dinner, and other times we just chat online or call each other when we can't meet in person.
Could you tell me what activities you and your friends usually enjoy doing together?
We often go for movies, have meals, or play sports together. Sometimes we also work on group projects or attend social events.
The main thing is enjoying each other's company and sharing experiences.
Do you believe that having friends plays an important role in a person's life?
Yes, I think friends are very important. They provide emotional support, help us relieve stress, and enrich our lives with companionship and advice. Friends also help us develop social skills and confidence.
Have your friendships changed as you've grown older?
Yes, definitely. When I was younger, I made friends easily, but didn't always maintain long-term relationships. Now I focus more on quality rather than quantity.
Which do you prefer when it comes to making friends online or in person?
While online friendships can be convenient, I prefer meeting people in real life. Face-to-face interaction allows you to understand emotions better,
build trust, and share experiences more genuinely.
Now I'm going to give you a topic. You should speak for 1 to 2 minutes. You'll have 1 minute to prepare. Describe a friend who has been very important to you. You should say who this friend is, how you met, what you do together, and explain why this person is important to you.
And I'd like to talk about my best friend, Sarah. We met in high school and immediately connected because of our shared sense of humor and interests. Over the years, we've spent a lot of time together, attending school events, going on trips, and simply chatting about life. We support each other in challenges, celebrate successes, and provide honest advice when needed. She's important to me because she's trustworthy and genuinely cares about my well-being. I know I can always rely on her for support and guidance. Having her as a friend has helped me grow as a person, be more confident, and learn the value of loyalty and empathy in relationships.
What do you think are the main reasons people need friends?
Friends provide emotional support, companionship, and advice. They also help us develop social skills and cope with stress. A strong friendship can positively impact our mental health and overall well-being.
How do friendships differ between young people and adults?
Younger people often make friends quickly and easily, but these friendships may not last. Adults tend to focus on deeper.
Do you think social media has changed the way people form and maintain friendships?
Yes, social media allows people to stay connected over long distances, but it can sometimes reduce the quality of interactions.
Face-to-face communication is still important for strong, meaningful friendships.
Do you think friends can influence our behavior and the choices we make?
Definitely. Friends can influence our attitudes, choices, and even habits. Being surrounded by supportive and positive friends
encourages personal growth, while negative influences can be harmful.
What advice would you give someone about making and keeping friends?
I'd say choose friends who share your values and treat you with respect. Be supportive, honest, and make time for them. Communication and trust are the foundations of long-lasting friendships.
Thank you very much. That brings us to the end of the speaking test.